Number 1. 1973 Ford F250, price $7,200. This truck is a one-owner classic with just 63,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in orange inside and out, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Powered by a strong 360 fe V8 engine with a smooth shifting transmission, it has an upgraded electric fuel pump and a new aftermarket carburetor, original included. The truck runs and drives great, with 4 brand new tires, a new master cylinder, and front brake hoses. There are no fluid leaks, the exterior lights work, and there's no structural rust. All 4 hubcaps are present and in great condition, and the interior is exceptionally clean for its age. Some flaws include worn paint in areas, dash lights and radio not working, and a non-functional AC due to a bad blower motor. The rear brakes could also use a check, though the truck stops fine. Overall, it's a solid vintage truck with great mechanicals and a clean 1973 title. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, with 184,000 miles on the odometer. It's powered by a 4.3L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Recent maintenance includes a new intake gasket, plug wires, fluids, and thermostat, ensuring it's mechanically sound. Finished in red with a clean gray interior, the cabin features a new black bench seat, boom mat insulation, and a durable rubber floor mat. The truck has been lowered 4 inches in the rear with new Beltec leaf springs, shackles, and hardware. It rides on Chevy rally wheels and also comes with the original stock rims and caps. Additional highlights include a locking bed-mounted toolbox, a Pioneer head unit, and upgraded door speakers. Fuel type is gasoline. Number 3. 1984 Ford F150, price $10,000. It's powered by a strong-running 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and the cylinder heads were recently rebuilt in 2025 by the head shop in Virginia Beach. The truck features a new 600 CFM Holley Brawler diecast carburetor with vacuum secondaries, along with performance headers and dual mufflers. One of its standout features is an open-valve exhaust system, which can be controlled via a discrete switch mounted under the dash, allowing the driver to go from a smooth rumble to a loud, aggressive roar at the flip of a switch. The exterior is finished in black with tinted windows all around, while the interior is done in a bold red. This F-150 rides on classic Craig-R rims. Inside, it's equipped with a Bluetooth stereo and a functional tachometer for added performance monitoring. For improved cooling, dual electric fans have been installed. The truck also benefits from recently redone front brakes and brand new brake lines, ensuring dependable stopping power. The tailgate operates as it should, and while the truck does not have air conditioning. Number 4. 1982 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. It has approximately 70,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in sleek black both inside and out, this truck stands out with a 4-inch lift and bold 20x12 vision wheels, giving it an aggressive and commanding stance on the road. Despite a few rust spots, the truck remains structurally sound with solid floors, rockers, cab corners, and a clean, pit-free frame. Occasionally, it makes a grinding noise when taking off from a stop, which could be due to a bearing or another minor mechanical issue, though the exact cause is unknown. Inside, it features a new old stock radio and newly installed speakers, adding a touch of modern convenience to its classic design. Additionally, many new parts have recently been installed, contributing to its dependability and performance. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet S10, price $8,500, with 152,000 miles and a 5-speed manual transmission. Powered by a strong 4.3L V6 engine that performs like a V8, it features a striking fire mist purple heavy metallic paint with a color shifting effect and a rust-free body. The truck sits on new wheels and tires, with a new roll pan, bed liner, bed rails, and all new LED lighting including headlights, taillights, and turn signals. It also has new glass, window visors, mirrors, and wipers. Inside, the gray interior is refreshed with new seat covers, a modern CD player, and new speakers. Mechanically, it's been upgraded with a new battery, brakes, rotors, master cylinder, heater coil, spark plugs, thermostat, belts, and a dual 2.5-inch Flowmaster exhaust system. With over $10,000 invested, this S10 is a clean, custom ride that's ready to enjoy. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,800. It has 114,000 miles, a gray exterior and interior, and runs on gasoline with an automatic transmission. It has recently had key parts replaced, including the gas tank, fuel pump, Optima battery, ignition coil and module, coolant temp sensor, mass airflow sensor, and throttle position sensor, allowing it to start and run strong. The truck's lights and signals work well, with no warning lights on the dashboard. It has virtually no rust, a solid bed liner with no leaks, and nearly new tires with under 1,000 miles. Known issues include hesitation, surging, installing, and uninstalled AC condenser. Parts included steering and suspension that need work, and paint discoloration on the hood. Overall, it's a solid truck with good mechanical potential and minimal body damage.
Number 7.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000, with 199,000 miles. It has a 5.7L 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 4x4 drivetrain. The exterior is green with a gray interior, running on gasoline. It features power locks and windows, cruise control, air conditioning, and a sliding rear window. The truck is lifted on Moto metal rims with Toyo mud tires and has a Rhino-lined bed with a matching cap that includes lights and screen windows. It comes with a bull bar bumper, LED light bar, aftermarket headlights, and LED rear bumper spots. The upgraded stereo system includes a remote control and subwoofer, plus a Viper alarm with automatic starter. Additional features include rain guards on tinted windows, a BrakeMaster control switch for towing, newer brakes, and calipers front and rear.
Number 8.
1970 Ford F250, price $8,500. It has traveled 132,053 miles and features an automatic transmission. Its exterior is white, complemented by a green interior. This truck is powered by a 360 V8 big block engine running on gasoline. It comes equipped with power steering and power front disc brakes, contributing to a smooth and responsive driving experience. The truck runs well, and all components function as they should, reflecting its solid condition despite being 55 years old. There is some rust and body damage on the right rear quarter panel behind the wheel, however, the overall structure remains strong.
The tires are in good condition, and the truck includes a side storage compartment that is notably well preserved and free from rust. Number 9.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,500, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine with 174,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in black, while the interior sports a striking red color combination, giving it a classic yet bold look. Overall, the truck is in good running and driving condition with a clean title. The body is relatively clean for its age and has been outfitted with mud terrain tires, an upgraded exhaust system, and a rough country lift kit, adding both style and capability. Under the hood, it has received several updates, including a new battery, new ignition components, a newer alternator, and fresh spark plugs and cables, contributing to improved reliability.
Number 10.
1978 Ford F150, price $3,500, equipped with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a functional 4x4 system and has approximately 78,000 miles on the odometer. The truck comes in a striking black exterior with a matching black interior, giving it a bold, timeless look. While it runs and drives well, there are a few issues to note.
The choke is not currently hooked up, so it must be operated manually under the hood during cold starts.
Additionally, the parking brake is not functional. There is some rust present, as expected from a truck of this vintage, but it remains a strong runner with classic appeal.